Next we are going to see the nerve tissue. Okay ma, nerve tissue comprises of nerve cells or neurons. Comprises of the nerve cells or neurons. So nerve cells or neuron, it is also known as neuron. So it is the longest cell. It is the longest cells in the body. Okay amma, so it is the longest cells of the body. நம்ம பாடியிலேயே லாங்கஸ்ட் செல்ஸ் எதை சொல்லலாம்னா நியூரான்ஸ், நர்வ் செல்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் நியூரான்ஸ் ஆர் தட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனல் யூனிட் ஆஃப் nerve tissue. Okay, structural and functional unit of nerve tissue. It is an elongated and slender of the neurons. It is no fibers. Each neuron, this neuron consists of cell body. This is cell body. Cell body, it is also called cyton. Cyton or cell body. Cyton or cell body. And nucleus. Nucleus also present. And also cytoplasm. This is the cell body. Okay, the dendrons are short and highly branched. This is dendron. It is very short and also highly branched. Branch like structure. Okay, you see that branch like structure, highly branched. Then protoplasmic process of cyton. Protoplasmic process of the cyton. Cyton means cell body. The axon is a single. This is axon. You see that this is axon starting from up to this. Okay, this is axon. It is a single long fiber like process. Okay, and also developed from the cyton. The axon is developed from the cyton. Okay, and also it is end up with fine terminal branches. Okay, so axon end up with fine terminal branches. This is called terminal branches. Okay ma. Then they have that ability to receive stimuli. இதுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும்? Stimuli. Ability to receive, இந்த தூண்டுதலை, இந்த ஸ்டிமுலஸை பெறக்கூடிய அந்த எபிலிட்டி இருக்கும். From within or outside, inside and also or outside of the body, and send the signals to different spots of the body. Okay, so the terminal endings, it is pass the signal to the different parts of the body. Okay ma, different parts of the body. Next we see that cell division. So all the tissues are over. So muscle tissue, nervous tissue, epithelial, muscles, nervous and connective tissue. Okay, so in this class muscle tissue and nerve tissues are over. Next we see the cell division. Okay ma. So in this cell division, all cells are reproduced. Yes. So we have that cells are reproduced by division, and the division of cells into daughter cells, it is called cell division. You know what is cell division? So a single cell, only a single cell. For example, amoeba. But in that human beings has many cells, more than many cells. Okay, so all cells reproduce by division. எல்லா செல்லும் reproduce பண்ணும் எதன் மூலம் division மூலம். Okay, so the division of the cells into daughter cells is called cell division, next we see the type of cell division. It is three types of cell division. It is mainly the three division. First division is A mitosis, the second one is mitosis, and third one is meiosis. The first one is A mitosis, the second one is mitosis, the third one is meiosis. A mitosis means direct division, that mitosis means indirect division, and meiosis means reduction division. Okay, ma'am. So it is the three types of cell division. So it occur in that animal cells. Okay, so the cell division occur in animal cells. First we see that A mitosis. It is the simplest mode of cell division. Mostly it occurs only in the unicellular organism. Aging cells and foetal membranes. Okay, then during A mitosis, the nucleus elongate first. This is the cell, cytoplasm, nucleus, nucleolus. After that, this nucleus here, it is elongate. Okay, it is that elongate first. That nucleus is elongate, and a constriction appears, which depends and divides the nucleus into two. So constriction also appear in this stage. Okay, after that, it divides the nucleus into two. Divides the nucleus into two. It followed by the cytoplasmic division. After that, in that result, formation of two daughter cells. So this is A mitosis. Mostly occur in unicellular organism. Two daughter cells are formed in A mitosis. This is the direct division. Okay, ma. Next we see that mitosis.